Hey everyone, I'm Leo from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm super excited to talk about the eufy robot lawn mower E15. If you're tired of pushing a heavy mower and want a smart, hands-free way to keep your lawn perfect, this could be your game changer. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what makes this mower awesome. The eufy E15 is a wire-free robotic lawnmower that covers up to 0.2 acres, perfect for small to medium yards. It uses Vision full self-driving tech with cameras and AI to map your lawn in about 10 minutes, no boundary wires or RTK antennas needed. You can set cutting heights from 1 to 3 inches and manage multiple zones through the eufy app. It's got a 3D perception system for obstacle avoidance, handles 18-degree slopes, and returns to its charging station during rain or low light. The 2600 mAh battery mows 1,600 square feet per charge, and GPS with 4G keeps it secure with anti-theft tracking. Now the pros. Setup is a breeze, under 15 minutes with the app guiding you. It cuts in neat parallel lines for a professional look, and it's super quiet at 56 decibels so you won't bug the neighbors. The obstacle avoidance is top-notch, dodging toys and pets, and the app lets you tweak settings like edge spacing or speed. Users love the time it saves and its clean cuts on grasses like buffalo. On the con side, it's pricey at around $1,600, and it struggles with tall or dense grass like fescue. It can't mow in the dark, and some report it missing spots or getting stuck in uneven terrain, needing occasional no-go zone tweaks. Who's this for? If you've got a flat, fenced-in yard under 0.2 acres and want low-maintenance lawn care, this is a fantastic pick. It's great for busy homeowners or tech lovers, but if you have a larger or hilly yard, you might need a beefier model. Ready to ditch lawn chores? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep that lawn pristine.